That is good.
You think he needs a bib?
Sure, put one on him.
He's just eating. There you go, Mama.
How's that cake, buddy? Have some cake.
He doesn't even know what it is.
All he's doing is taking icing off.
It's cake, dude.
It's
Just feed him a little piece of it, too.
Here.
Come on, give us a slice of cake.
What do you think, bud?
He likes it. He's like, give me some more.
How do I get at this thing?
Happy birthday to Pud. I'm gonna cut the cake.
Don't touch that.
No.
You gotta watch Toby eat his cake first. He got the first piece. Yeah, go ahead.
Now go ahead.
Give me your
He looks so small when he's like that.
Happy birthday, Bo.
Happy birthday. I'm gonna get the biggest slice, okay? That's my slice.
Okay, you